Hi there. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add and track your bills using the TimelyBills app. Managing your bills has never been easier, so let's get started. To add a bill, start by tapping the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll see the Add Bill screen. Here's where you need to enter all the important details about the bill. Enter the total amount of the bill. Assign a category, like utilities, rent, or groceries. Now choose the service provider, such as your credit card company or internet provider. Choose when the bill is due. If it's a recurring bill, set the frequency, such as weekly, monthly, or a custom range. Set how many days before the due date you want to receive a reminder. On the same screen, you have the option to mark the bill as paid automatically on the due date. This is helpful if you always pay this bill on or before its due date. You can also select the account from which this transaction is completed, making it easier to track where your money is going. Once all the details are filled in, tap the Done button in the top right corner, and your bill will be added. Now that you've added your bills, let's make sure you never miss a payment by customizing your notification preferences. TimelyBills gives you full control over how and when you receive reminders. Here's how to personalize your notifications. Go to the hamburger menu in the top left corner of the app, select Settings, and then tap Notifications. On the notification screen, you can turn upcoming bill notifications on or off. Enable or disable overdue bill notifications to stay on track. Set a preferred reminder time to choose when you want to be notified about your bills. And that's it. Now you know how to add and track your bills using the TimelyBills app. With these tools, you'll never miss a payment again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances with TimelyBills. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.